The eVital system allows users to electronically submit births and deaths with the City of New York Bureau of Vital Statistics. eVital is a new and improved web-based application that replaced Evers. To create a new stop case, click the main menu icon. Then select Life Events, select Stop, then select Start New Case. The Start New Fetal Death Case web form will open. Click on the fields marked Did Heart Beat After Delivery and Was There Movement of Voluntary Muscle? You must answer no to both of these questions in order to create a stop case. If the answer to either one of these questions is yes, you will see a message indicating you cannot proceed with entering a stop case. After answering no to both questions, additional fields will appear. Enter the mother's current legal last name, then enter and verify the mother's medical record number. Click the calendar icon to enter the date of delivery. Click Search. If there are no cases that match the criteria you have entered, click Create New Case. eVital will take you directly to the Fetus tab of the Fetal Death Registration menu. Enter the medical record number. If the fetus was not named, click the No Given Name checkbox. If the fetus was named, enter the name in the appropriate fields. Select the sex from the drop-down list and enter the number delivered in this pregnancy. In the Obstetric Estimate of Gestation field, enter a numerical value in weeks. If you enter 25 weeks or greater, a disposition permit must be issued. In this example, 10 weeks has been entered. Select Yes or No from the Does Mother Parent Request Disposition drop-down menu. Entering 25 weeks or greater will require an application for the disposition permit. Select Yes or No from the Will Medical Institution be responsible for final disposition drop-down menu. In this example, Yes has been selected. Click Save. A Disposition tab will now appear in the menu. There are two types of errors in eVital: hard edits, which appear in red, and soft edits, which appear in orange. Hard edits are errors that must be addressed and corrected, or the certifier will not be able to certify the case. Soft edits are errors that must be addressed or overridden in order for the case to be certified. Here's an example of a soft edit. If you get an error message, the system is prompting you to verify whether or not the information is correct. If the information is correct, then you must override the error message. First, check the override box and click Save Overrides. Then click Save. Hard edits are indicated in red and will remain red until the missing or correct data has been entered. Hard edits, unlike soft edits, cannot be overridden. Enter the missing information. Then click Save. A green dot on the Fetus tab indicates that all errors have been corrected. Click on Place of Delivery. Select the place of delivery from the drop-down menu. This will automatically populate the facility name and address information. Click Save. A green dot next to Place of Delivery indicates there are no errors. You can now continue by clicking on Mother-Parent Information. The Mother-Parent Information web form will open. Enter the mother's legal first, middle, and last names into the corresponding fields. Complete the remainder of the fields. Click Save. If there are no errors, a green dot will appear. You can continue by clicking on Mother-Parent Address. The Mother-Parent Address web form will open. In the Residence Address portion of the web form, type the address information into the corresponding fields and select the country from the drop-down list. Click Verify Address. A list of matching addresses will be displayed. Click the radio button next to the correct address, then click Select. The verification indicator will turn green, indicating the address has been verified. Click Save. If all fields contain valid information, a green dot will appear. Click on Father-Parent Information. Select Yes or No from the Are You Entering Father-Parent Information drop-down list. If the father's information is not being entered, select No. Then click Save. A green dot will appear on the Father-Parent Information tab, indicating no additional information is required. If the father's information is being entered, select Yes. Then click Save. Two additional tabs will appear on the menu. Click on Father-Parent. Enter the father's name and date of birth information. Click Save. If there are no errors, a green dot will appear on the Father-Parent tab. Click Mother-Parent Attributes. Enter the date the last menses began from the drop-down lists. Complete the appropriate fields, including education level and ancestry information. Click Save. If all fields contain valid information, a green dot appears. Click on Father-Parent Attributes. Complete the appropriate fields, including education level and ancestry information. Click Save. If all fields contain valid information, a green dot appears. Click Prenatal. Enter the prenatal information in the corresponding fields. Click Save. A green dot on the Prenatal tab indicates there are no errors. Click Mother-Parent Health. The Mother-Parent Health web form will open. Complete the appropriate fields, including height, weight, and health information. Click Save. If all fields contain valid information, a green dot will appear. Click on Pregnancy Factors. Check the boxes that apply to the pregnancy. Click Save. A green dot indicates there are no errors. Click on Delivery. Enter the method of delivery and all other information. Click Save. A green dot on the Delivery tab indicates there are no errors. Click on Fetal Attributes. Enter the fetus weight and all other information. Click Save. A green dot indicates there are no errors. Click on Cause Conditions Contributing to Fetal Death. In the Initial Cause Conditions section, select or enter only one condition. Other significant causes can be entered in this section. Click Save. If there are no errors, a green dot will appear. Click Attendant Certifier to open the web form. To add the attendant at delivery, click Look Up Attendants. Enter the attendant's name and click Search. Click Select to choose the attendant. If you are a certifier, your information will automatically populate the certifier section. To add or choose a different certifier, use the Look Up Certifier button. Click Save. A green dot indicates the attendant certifier information has been accepted. Click on Disposition. Enter the method of disposition and complete the corresponding fields. The authoriser's name and address will automatically populate based on information already entered into the case. Click Save. A green dot on the Disposition tab indicates there are no errors that need to be corrected. If you are an authorized certifier and there are no errors that need to be corrected in any of the previous sections, a link to certify the case will appear in the menu. Click Certify to open the web form. Read the statement and place a check mark in the box marked Affirm. This will display the quick response code. Use the Certify app to scan the code within 60 seconds. Once you scan the code, the app will ask you to take one picture of your face. After the picture is taken, a notification will appear on the phone indicating that the certification was successful. Tap OK on the phone screen. On the computer, a green dot with a check mark will appear on the Certify tab indicating the case has been certified. If you need to make any changes, use the Unaffirm button and then recertify the case after the changes have been made. Let's review the Other Links section of the menu. Click on Case Messages to see any messages related to the case. Click on Print Forms. Click on Stop Certificate Work Copy. Click the printer icon to print the certificate. Click the X to close the certificate window. Clicking on Case Status History will allow you to view the case history. This includes dates, the status name, as well as user and facility information. Click on Registration Validations to see any validation errors or overrides in the case. Click on any of the green buttons to go to the page where the validation error or override occurred. Click on Request to abandon void if you need to abandon or void the case. Select the request type from the drop-down menu. Then, enter a reason. Click Save to submit the request. Click on Comments. To enter a new comment, select the comment type from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the comment in the comment field and click Save Comment. The saved comment will be displayed at the bottom of the comments window. Click on the Edit or Delete icons to make any necessary changes. A green check mark will appear on the menu indicating there are comments related to the case. This concludes the eVital Spontaneous Termination of Pregnancy training.